Class 3, Chapter 2, More About Keyboard. In this chapter, you are going to learn about the keyboard. For the introduction, you have already learned about keyboard in previous classes also. It is an input device that consists of various keys. Okay, it is just like a device that is used for giving input to the computer. A keyboard is used to type text and numbers and to give commands to the computer. So it says that with the help of keyboard you can type the text and numbers and also you can give commands to the computer. Now here on this page you can see different types of keys that we see on the standard keyboard. The diagram shows you all the keys with proper labeling. The first key that we are going to study about is alphabet key. Alphabet keys are from A to Z, or you can say A to Z. That is used to type the letters. Next we have is number keys. That is from 0 to 9. Okay, that means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. After that you have punctuation keys to give punctuation marks, like you have question mark, exclamation mark or brackets, asterisk, colon, semicolon, comma. Okay. Then we have symbol keys that is used to give symbols. It consists of symbols like plus, minus, percentage, ampersand, like this. Then we have special keys. Special keys are the keys that have special function like control, shift, alt, backspace, enter, end, page up, page down and so on. Then we have the function keys. Function keys are again having special function. So when you press different function keys on those, you have different function performing on the computer, like F1 till F12. You have different function key. Then we have the arrow keys. Arrow keys are used to move the cursor up, down, right or left. Okay, here I have listed all the different keys, what all keys you can press using these types of keys. Here also you can see I have listed the name of the keys and their symbols, or you can see the type of keys you can press on the keyboard. There are 26 alphabet keys on the keyboard. As you know, for English letters, we have 26 letters and we have 26 keys on the keyboard for letters or alphabet, you can say. Both small and capital letters can be typed using the keyboard. There are two ways to type capital letters. Either you can press Shift key or you can press caps lock key. Okay, now if you are going to press Shift key, you will have to keep it pressed and then press some alphabet key to make the letter capital. And if you are using caps lock, once you are going to press it and then you can type the alphabets, it is going to come in a capital letter. So here 1 and 2 point that I have shown on the screen, it says that first one says typing a single letter in capital. If you want to type only a single letter in capital, for example F in fruits, type the Shift key press. Okay, keep the Shift key pressed and then type F. Then release Shift key and type the rest of the letters. Now if you want to type the whole paragraph or a sentence, then you have to press the caps lock key. Second point says turn the caps lock on by pressing it once and type all the letters of the word fruit. Okay. Now we have numbers key that is from 0 to 9. There are two sets of number keys on a standard keyboard. One is the set of number keys which are available above the alphabet keys, and it consists of numbers from 0 till 9. To type any number, you need to press the key of that number. The other set of number key is on the right hand side of the keyboard. This is known as the numeric keypad, and from here also you can type numbers. You just have to turn it on to use it. To type the number using numeric keypad, now you will have to make sure that on your keyboard the num lock key is on. Then only you will be able to type with this keypad. Okay, either you must be having a light above it that would indicate that your number keypad is on, okay, when you are pressing it to make the keypad turn on. And after that you can press any of the numbers and it is going to work. And at the bottom of this keypad, you even have the arrow keys, that is right, left, up and down keys, that also is used to control the cursor from the numeric keypad. Now we have some special keys like backspace, delete key, caps lock key, spacebar, and enter or return key. Backspace key is used to erase the text from the left side of the cursor. Okay, while the delete key is used to delete the text from the right side of the cursor. Caps lock key, I have already told you, to make the letters capital. And space bar is used to give gap between the words and numbers. Enter key is used to move the cursor to the next line. Now for the shift key, there are two shift keys on the keyboard. One on the left side and other one is on the right side. This key is used to type capital letters when the caps lock is off. Some of the key containing two characters on them, upper character and lower character. When you press any such key, the lower character appear on the screen. Hold down the shift and press any such key if you want the upper character to appear on the screen. If you want a symbol to appear, hold the shift key and press the number key that contains the required symbol. And also then you have function keys. Keys on the top row of the keyboard are called as function key. They are from F1 till F12 and is used for specific function. These function keys are also called as shortcut keys. Here, Sir Christopher Latham Sholes is known as the inventor of QWERTY keyboards. Okay, the layout of the keyboards which were called as QWERTY, because if we are going to see on the keyboard, the keys on the keyboard are starting from QWERTY. That is why these type of keyboards are called as QWERTY keyboards, and the inventor of this was Sir Christopher Latham Sholes. Thanks for watching. I hope this explanation helped you understand Chapter 2 better. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And tell me in the comment what was your favorite part. See you in the next video.